Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X1 Alpine White versus Mineral White. Understanding the differences between these two popular paint options is crucial for your vehicle's aesthetic. Alpine White offers a pure, solid look, while Mineral White provides a metallic shimmer. We will explore the unique characteristics, costs, and maintenance considerations for each, helping you decide which white best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Let's dive in. Alpine White is a timeless and popular choice, known for its crisp, bright appearance. As a non-metallic paint, it provides a uniform, solid white finish that reflects light evenly. This option is typically a standard offering, meaning it often comes without an additional cost. Its clean aesthetic is easy to maintain and always looks fresh, making it a favorite for many drivers seeking a classic look. Mineral White offers a more sophisticated and dynamic look due to its metallic properties. Tiny metallic flakes embedded in the paint create a subtle shimmer and depth, especially noticeable in direct sunlight. This color tends to appear as a slightly warmer, off-white compared to Alpine White. As a premium metallic finish, Mineral White usually comes with an extra charge, reflecting its enhanced visual complexity. Ultimately, your choice between Alpine White and Mineral White comes down to personal preference and desired aesthetic. Alpine White offers a crisp, timeless appeal, while Mineral White provides a sophisticated, shimmering finish. Consider how each color interacts with light and your long-term maintenance expectations. Metallic paints, like Mineral White, can sometimes hide minor imperfections more effectively. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals and other helpful resources. Make the decision that truly reflects your style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.